Driving down the road and you really have to go to the bathroom, but you want to find not just any bathroom, you want to find a clean bathroom. Well, I ran across this app just the other day, and it will tell you just that, and you will not believe who it's by. It's called SitOrSquat Restroom Finder by Procter & Gamble. That's right, the makers of Charmin. It's a Charmin app it's a bathroom finder that will help you find a clean bathroom while you're on the go using the map. And let's open it up and see how it's like. When you open it up, you start with a map, and you see, if it's got it on show all, you see these little green and red little toilet paper, which is like a little pins. These are actually public restrooms. So if you see in red, well, that's probably not one if it says squat, that's probably not a clean bathroom you want to go to. And this is at a Starbucks. And so you want to look at it, and you want to see where it's at. You even have reviews on here. This particular one doesn't have, but this is a Starbucks. It's pretty interesting that they have a bathroom that's nasty. But if you click on one I'll also give you directions to it while you're on there from your location. But if you click on a green one here, so this is at a Exxon Gessner, and it's a sit, so it's green, so it means that it's clean. Also, at the top here, you have an option to whether you're actually walking. It'll give you a distance of walking by bicycle, by car, or by bus. So you want to see where you're going here. Oh, you can also filter it. So if you want to just find the clean ones, the sit onlys, you can click on the sit onlys, and it's only going to show you the clean bathrooms. So if you wanted to, if you're real particular about where you want to go, and if you just have to go, you can filter it out. But like if you're in an emergency and you just got to find the closest one, you want to show all, you click show all. It's going to show all the public bathrooms, whether it's questionable or whether it's clean. Also, you have the option to add to this map by using a little plus sign right here. But you have to log in to create an account to do that. So I'm actually as a guest. So this is a pretty cool little app right here. And it'll give you like the locations of bathrooms, especially like if you're traveling. I live here in Houston, but if you're traveling on the road and you need to find one like in a hurry, if you have like small kids or even yourself, if you need to find a restroom, and then if you need to find something like quick, you really need to go, you can find out wherever's one at, and you can see whether it's clean or dirty. You can edit to, you can add to the comments, whatever. So tell me something about this app. This is actually the Charmin app for finding a clean restroom, public toilet. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.